Hey guys, it's Connie. We're lighting off bottle rockets. Let's go.
Oh God, oh gosh.
Woo! I'm on a trampoline, guys.
We're drunk on the plane.
We're about to do another one. Woo!
It's kind of scary and it's kind of cool. So
Oh, my dad's doing it. Okay, here we go. Back up.
Back up.
Watch the sky, guys. It's gonna come up in there. Woo! We have some more, guys. Don't worry.
We have like 100 more.
I'm kidding. No, we don't. She's lying.
No,
Oh, that's
we
my friend
actually
Emily.
do.
Oh, you see her white? Oh, there we go. Here, face over here so I can see. Okay. There she is. That's my friend. And look at me. Never mind. Another one going.
Shouldn't they see it going up? They actually do.
Woo!
That was awesome.
She just flipped over.
Yeah.
It hit the car or something.
No, it is.
Dad, it just landed over there. Something just landed by the cars.
That's it, like about to go up.
That's it.
That. I'm like gonna go over here a minute. It hit the tree.
It's okay. Are there any more? There's more. Hey, give it back. No, it's only been 1 minute and 44 seconds. Here we go.
Oh gosh, Woo! That one was good.
Woo! Here's another one.
There's some more. Like flying down.
There's some more, guys.
No, what, Connie? Like down in the woods, they were like going down a little bit more.
You guys ready? Here we go. Wait.
They're
no.
lighting it right now. Yeah, you need a lighter to light it. Just so you
Oh,
know.
what's in my ear? Oh, there we go. It's out.
Oh God. I did not see that one, but I'm going over here in case it hits the tree.
Me too. We're
Wait,
like,
hold on. That's awesome. We need to see right here. Wait. There is no safe place.
it landed over there. Okay, guys, I'll tell you the story why I'm scared of fireworks. I got burnt one time when I was like 5
Yeah, I need
because my dad made one too close. Here we go. That's why you see the stuff over there. Jiggle it. Oh, did you just see that? Hey, film me doing a handstand. Turn it, face at me. Can